So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add SeatGeek ticket to Apple Wallet, save pass, transfer and fix missing button. So adding SeatGeek ticket to Apple Wallet. Method first is from app to Apple Wallet. Open the SeatGeek app on your iPhone, tap ticket at the bottom of the screen, select the event ticket you want to save, tap add to Apple Wallet. Tap add in Apple Wallet to save the ticket pass. Once added, the ticket appear in Apple Wallet and you can scan the QR code at the venue entrance. So method 2 is from web to Apple Wallet. Go to SeatGeek website and login. Tap tickets and my tickets. Select your event ticket. Tap add to Apple Wallet. Tap add top right. Ticket will be saved in Apple Wallet. Method 3 is add SeatGeek ticket from email to Apple Wallet. Wait for the confirmation email. If not received, check spam junk promotion folder. For resale ticket, wait until the seller transfer. Sometimes the ticket may not be available directly in the confirmation email. In that case, you need to wait for your ticket are ready, notification to view your ticket, and then you can add it to your Apple Wallet. Find the open your ticket are ready confirmation email from SeatGeek. Scroll down to the ticket section in the email. Tap the add to Apple Wallet button or link. A ticket preview screen will open on your iPhone. Tap add in the top right corner of the screen. Wait a few seconds for the ticket to save. Open the Apple Wallet app to confirm your ticket is added. Your ticket is now ready to scan at the event. Second is transfer SeatGeek ticket to someone else. Go to ticket section in your SeatGeek account, select your event, tap transfer ticket to send ticket or passing passes. Then select the ticket or passes you want to send. Enter the recipient email or phone number, check detail on the review screen, tap transfer now. Third is add SeatGeek ticket to Apple Wallet. Fix missing button. Fix one is scroll down the ticket page, open your ticket in the SeatGeek app or website. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of your ticket page. Look carefully for the add to wallet button. Tap the bottom if you find it. Second is use SeatGeek app instead of website. If you are using browser, try with SeatGeek app. Install and open the SeatGeek app on your iPhone or Android phone. Sign into your account, tap tickets at the bottom, select your event ticket, check if the add to Apple Wallet button appear. Third one is wait until closer the event date. Check your event date in the ticket detail. What if the event is still far away? Open your ticket again closer to the event date. Look for the add to Apple Wallet button again. Try again after some time. Close the SeatGeek app or browser completely. Wait for a few minutes. Reopen the app or website. Open your ticket again and choose for the button. Thank you.